Hi, I'm Ken from Orion, and this is the AstroView 90mm refractor. It's 90mm diameter, that's about 3.5 inches. It comes with a finder scope, diagonal, and two eyepieces, a 25 and a 10mm. 25s are low, the 10 is a medium-high power. It's capable of going up to about 150, 180 magnification for moon and planetary detail, and then it also pulls in enough light to grab some of the brighter deep sky objects, like the Orion Nebula, the Andromeda Galaxy, you'll be able to see with this. It's on a German equatorial mount, which means once it's aligned, you can use these slow motion controls to fine-tune the position, and then with the twist of one knob, you can follow the object through the night sky. And if you wanted to, you can add an optional motor drive to automate the process of following objects. Hi everyone, I'm Ken from Orion, and we're looking at the Space Probe 130 equatorial reflector. It's a 5-inch diameter reflector on a German equatorial mount. It comes with a finder scope, two eyepieces, a 25 and a 10mm. And a 5-inch aperture is good for not only seeing the rings of Saturn, the cloud belts on Jupiter. It's big enough to also see some deep sky objects. So the Orion Nebula and the Andromeda Galaxy are also objects you could see with a scope this size. The German equatorial mount allows you to track easily along with the object just by twisting a knob, and you can also add an optional clock drive to automate that process. So overall, it's a great telescope for the whole family.
Apochromatic refractors produce the highest quality images in any telescope optical design. The best cause stars to snap into focus, a phenomenon that is unique to premium grade refractors with near perfect color correction. Skywatcher ED refractors live up to this exquisite standard by using top quality shot glass to virtually eliminate chromatic aberration, a false color aberration that is seen in all 2-element achromat designs and in many so-called semi-apo refractors. All air-to-glass surfaces are treated with Skywatcher's proprietary MHTC coatings, which permit light throughput approaching 99.5%. As such, the MHTC coatings are the finest anti-rejection coatings in their class. Skywatcher Black Diamond apochromatic refractors are available in 80, 100, and 120 mm apertures. Each model includes a precision dual-speed Crayford focuser for high and ultra-precise focus control.
What makes NexStar SE a favorite among serious observers and newcomers alike? It all starts with our signature orange tube, Schmidt-Cassegrain and Maksutov-Cassegrain optics. Available in 4, 5, 6, and 8-inch apertures. We've added our proprietary Starbright XLT optical coating to enhance light transmission, making your images brighter and more detailed. We know the best telescope is the one you will use most often. That's why NexStar SE breaks down into several lightweight pieces. It's the perfect choice for camping and sets up quickly in your backyard. If you're new to astronomy, you can begin enjoying the night sky right away with NexStar SE. The computerized hand control guides you through our simple sky align procedure, then automatically generates a sky tour of all the best objects to view. Choose from thousands of objects in NexStar SE's database. Then, the computerized fork arm mount accurately points your telescope, centers your object perfectly in the eyepiece, and tracks it as it moves across the sky. You can even get started in astroimaging with your NexStar SE. Just attach any Celestron planetary camera or your DSLR. The 4 and 5-inch models also include a wedge for long exposure photography.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video.